You would have heard a lot of successful people tell this, that one of the key ingredients, one of the key components to their success is their confidence. The question is, where do they get that confidence from? For instance, let's take Ronaldo. If you are a football fan, you know that Ronaldo hits awesome goals. But does he get his confidence when he goes on the field or when he sees the crowd cheering him? No, he does not get his confidence from where he is right now. He gets his confidence on the hours and days of practice that he puts behind it. He does a lot of hard work, a lot of smart work, a lot of work behind the screens to put those 90 minutes into action. To hit those goals confidently, he gets that confidence from the work that he has put. That is the truth. We get our confidence not right at the moment. We get our confidence from the work that we have put behind the screens. For me to tell all this, it would have taken a lot of work that I have put. And every success story that you can think of, every success story that you can imagine of, everyone will tell that it's not by a stroke of luck. It is by the confidence that they have put in their work. It is the hard work that they have put. It is the efforts of their hand. It is the sweat and blood drops that they have put in the work where they get their confidence from. And don't be afraid of the results. Don't stress about the results. Ronaldo might not win all the matches, but does he stress about that? No. He just focuses on giving his best in the game. And we must also do that. And don't be afraid of failures. Don't be afraid of making a mistake. It's okay to make mistakes. Everyone that you come across makes mistakes. And mistakes are a part of life. One thing that we can look at mistakes is that, you can look at it as an opportunity to grow, as an opportunity to make better decisions, as an opportunity, as a platform to make things possible. One of the best examples that I can give you of is the world famous scientist and inventor Thomas Alva Edison. He was known for many of his inventions, but one of those inventions are electric light bulb. He is not the one who created it, but he is the one who invented it. And there were a lot of people on the same journey to find that electric bulb, but they all failed, but they all made mistakes. Edison didn't look at them and mock them or made fun of them. He looked at them, he looked at their mistakes, and he collected all those mistakes and produced something useful. He made those mistakes as an opportunity to learn what the problem was. He researched on what actually the problem was by taking the mistake of others. We can always, learn something from others' mistake instead of just laughing at them or making them feel insecure because they did a mistake, because they failed in their life. You can always take it as an opportunity to do better in your life, and when you do better in your life, it will inspire them to do good. And that's the lesson that we are learning today, to be confident in even in our mistakes. Even if we do mistakes, it's okay. You will always have the opportunity to learn from them, to grow from them, and to do better. Thank you. If this video helped you in any way, then hit the like button, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and for more awesome contents, ring that bell icon. Thank you for watching. Bye.